बहकी सी रातें बस तेरी ही यादें तू मिला जब से तू मिला अब सह ना पाते तेरे बिना सोने रातें तू मिटा अब ये दूरियां जरा वे पास आवे सांसों में सांसें के मिल जाए जरा वे छू जरा से कि बस तेरे हो जाए.
They aren't just singers, they are entrepreneurs, trendsetters, and the architect of their own musical destiny. Please welcome Sukriti and Prakriti Kakkar.
Hi. Thank you so much for having us here today. We're so excited.
I have so much to talk about because I have like a 5-4 year age gap, so
Yeah.
I'm the youngest in the house, and I've like grown up with sisters, so I know how that
sweet.
goes. But for your household though, y'all have your mother and your elder sister
Yes.
who's into music already. Your mother with the classical in
Yes.
the background, and your
Yes.
sister who's already in.
Yes.
And you've said that she paved the way for your careers as well, right? Looking at her, and I understand the inspiration of your elder sibling just stands way too high in your life.
Yeah, but I think there were just some really defining moments, I think, for us, you know, like one being, of course, there was so much music all the time in the house, but, you know, my mom, just being my mom, she was like, no, I need variety. So everybody should do something in their own field and be the queen of that. Like, I don't want competition and rivalry for all, you know, in this, you know, in my house. But as life would have it, you know, we obviously, there was so much interest, and I think I have to give the credit of all that interest and curiosity to my elder sister, my mom. There was so much mention of so many different genres of music just, you know, being a part of our childhood in such a such a way that I don't think we could really escape it. I remember when our elder sister, from one of her paychecks back in the day, got us our first MP3s.
Oh my
and
God.
we still have
still
them.
have them.
And it was
so cute.
such
It
a
was
defining
Sony
moment.
one. I had the green one, and you had
And
the pink one.
of course. And it was crazy, and it was given to us on a condition that you will at least, because I think there was a capacity of some 200 songs only. So it was selected by my sister, and you know, it was given on a condition that you learn at least 10 of them. And at that time, of course, there was no Google or anything of that sort. So you had to listen to a song again and again. And we had this lyrics book, and we had to learn it and sing it out to her. So she was just like, this is what we're doing.
And
so we
also,
were like, okay.
I feel like the craziest part would be that I remember having board exams, and that was the first time I picked up the guitar, and that was the first time you ended up playing the keys, because we
Yeah.
just realized that this is, you know, I mean, we're gonna not study so much in life. That's something that we should just accept
Hey,
right
you
now.
have done great. So
But anything, you know, related to music just made us have such a good time, and then we always wanted to have a band together, and yeah, I think it was an interest, and then it was a full-blown profession, as it is now. So
I love that you say that your mom was like so supportive of it.
Yeah.
Because I heard from a lot of artists that in the music industry, a lot of times it's not the case, considering
Yeah.
there's a lot of like persona around
Yeah.
what the industry is and what the career is. But I love the fact that you all had so much support. My question is that when you do have so much support, like I think there's like it's like a blessing and a curse, because then you know that you're looking forward to
Yeah.
your personal winning moments.
Yeah.
So if you all have maybe the same, or if you all have different moments where you all felt like, okay, I myself feel like I've won, but I feel like I've won this for my parents.
I feel like that's something that we discuss all the time. You know, I feel like our one universal, unanimous goal is to just make sure we hear, I'm so proud of you from mom, because my mom's a tough cookie, okay? She doesn't get impressed very easily. In fact, you know, she's been a music teacher for a very long time in Delhi. We're all from Delhi. And she refused to teach us music. She was like, y'all are good in studies. Why don't y'all do something else? And you know,
So I mean,
yeah.
I think support came in different ways.
Yeah.
Whether it's making sure that we're taking part in a music competition and you know, then she's invested, right? Because I have to win. And it was stuff like that, and just making sure, like, if I wake up with like a little itch in my throat and I'm like, Mama, dard ho rahi hai, and then she would just like make like, you know, halwa and like whatever I would ask in that moment. So it was always like taking care of us in that way. But she like Sukriti said, she was always like, you know, you guys are good in studies. I think growing up, she obviously did see my elder sister go through the ups and downs.
Yeah.
And we didn't have anyone in the city. I mean, we know everybody that we know from scratch. We didn't have anyone here when we moved. So I think back then she just wanted us to have like a job that pays us a salary month to month.
So in those 10 years, I'm sure there have been moments where you have gone through like shit.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this shouldn't have happened. I didn't expect this to happen because, man, is this what my mom warned me about?
Yeah.
Is there any particular moment that really changed your perspective for a second where you're like, oh, I wish this never happened to me because now...
As singers, you go to the studio and it's not, it's like 30 minutes of a job, sometimes an hour.
Yeah.
And they can sometimes make the same song be sung by so many different singers. And unfortunately, nobody gets told till the song comes out. So this could actually still happen to
Yeah.
us, you know.
I had
It
no
happens.
idea. Wait,
that
they-
happens all the time.
So they make this
So
multiple
I
songs?
think all the Bollywood songs that
Yeah.
we have ever sung so far, we've only ever just gone to the studio and come back hoping that, you know,
Yeah,
we should
like,
just get
oh
it.
God,
And
please,
it's
I love
not,
that song.
I think a week before the movie releases or something like that,
shit.
then we're like, oh my God, will my song make it? And then maybe you get a call to sign a contract or something.
That's
like,
when it's
okay,
official.
now I think it's gonna come
But
out.
until you sign that contract, then it's just like, you know.
It's like maybe it will happen,
Yeah, it's
maybe.
Bhagwan
So you can't
Bharose
even
for
tell
real.
yeah, it's
everybody.
Bhagwan Bharose.
Yeah.
fully.
Oh, so you can't even get excited.
You can't. I feel like you can get excited because, you know, I mean, now that we're also making music, I
Yeah.
think something that I love to feel is like if somebody picks up the phone on me and they're like, you know, Prakriti, I want you to try this song.
Yeah.
It makes me feel really special. I'm like, thank you for thinking of me. And when you go reach the studio and this, you know, the song is beautiful, you give it your all. But then I think over the years we've realized not to get so emotionally attached to a song that you sing for just a movie. Because it may or may not come out in your voice.
Yeah, I mean, there have been a lot of times, right? Like, a lot of songs haven't come, it's come out in a different voice, some
Yeah.
other artist, one of my friends, and you know, it's been stuff like that. But I think that's what makes you like thick-skinned, and that's very important. I feel like we had a lot of that in the starting of our career, so I feel like we got very media trained. We just know like it's okay. And side by side, like she said, we started making our own music,
Yeah.
which we have a little more control over.
Little?
So we have all the control over.
I really want to come to that
So
because
that's fun.
Yeah.
You can really build your own
Yeah.
narrative when you're doing your own music. So
that
that's
keeps
cool.
us sane.
I think you also get to tell your own story, and I really
Yeah.
wanted to come to the difference because y'all have seen so much of the industry and experienced so much clearly because y'all have so many stories to tell. And y'all had mentioned that y'all followed like the good girl rules before. And I know for a fact that especially in any creative industry, or to be honest, in any industry,
Yeah.
we as women will always be like, okay, I'm gonna do everything right. I'm gonna play it by the book because I don't know what's gonna happen. And especially
Yeah.
the music industry has also been a very male-dominant industry
Yeah.
from every way and form possible. And I'm loving the fact that it's changing. And it's
On its way,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's on its way, and I can already see like young girls actually create all these massive fandoms, whether
Yeah.
indie, playback. Like Sunidhi Chauhan is a great example of just turning it all around.
Yeah.
If you could give advice to those good girls in the
Good
industry
girls?
just walking into a room and just everybody's like, okay, who are they? What would be your advice to
I
those two
actually
girls?
have a bone to pick with my mom every time, and I'm like, you've raised me too well. I just like, I sometimes I just really want to be bad. I have a hard time saying no, or like, you know, just being rude.
Yeah.
And sometimes you need to be, you
Yeah,
know.
you
I
need
feel
to
like my
stand up.
manager also teaches me like you have to be like more rude sometimes. So it's something I'm working on.
As you've already mentioned that you guys like to create empowering music. When you all are sitting in a room recording a session, how does a song come to life? How did your 15 to 16 independent songs actually come to life? Maybe like a subtle decoding of, okay, this is what our process looks like because there are like two people.
Yeah.
It's not like one makes the decision
Yeah.
and y'all have a
Yeah.
label in which
Yeah.
all the
Yeah.
decisions are made together.
Yeah.
And y'all are also sisters.
Yeah.
So I know how that dynamic is.
Yeah.
And I want to end with my last womanhood question, to be honest, because I know that any industry women are in, whether it's being a creator, whether it's being an actor, whether it's the music industry, someone will always come and tell you that, hey, you have a shelf life. Hey, you can't do anything more than this time, so just figure out what can you make happen before that's going to make you a legend. But I don't believe in that, and no woman in this room or ever will believe that. So what's your answer to anyone who's ever told a woman, and it can be another woman as well, it can be any one person in the world, what would you like to tell them when they come and tell anyone that, hey, you have a shelf life?
I feel like party abhi bachi hai proper. I feel like we've just scratched the surface and we're never happy with what we're doing. Basically, we always want to do more. Now, I don't know if how healthy that is, but you can't convince us that we made it or stuff like that. Because I've heard a lot of amazing people in my life tell me that the second you think that you've made it, you haven't, and that's literally the end of it. I feel like it's a new chapter for us every year, and you just have to keep hustling, and we luckily enjoy that together.
No,
keep
for
each other
sure. For
motivated.
sure. I feel like these are limitations because I feel like the generations before us anyway had everything different, and I feel like this particularly, especially this generation, is going to be defining a lot for the next. So I don't think there's a shelf line unless and until you mentally tell yourself that this is it and like this is going to be your prime. I don't believe in that at all. I don't know what the next 10 years for me look like, but as long as I'm healthy and I'm going to be doing things I love and I have a community that I keep building with every project,
And
every
Dua
song.
Lipa is your age. So is and so Selena Gomez is a little older than us. So I'm just like everybody that we've grown up. We're doing okay.
Yeah, we're younger than Taylor Swift. We're good.
Yeah.
Doing
Yeah.
amazing, and already.
And I don't think age is really a number. It's really when you tell yourself, oh God, it's time to go pack up. No, it's not time to pack up unless you want to. But I think when you're ready to hustle and when you're ready, I think the good thing is that in our generation, we at least have people who support us. And when I say that, I feel like you as well. I'm sure you have a community. As long as you keep entertaining them and at the same time entertaining yourself and having fun with it, you don't know what can happen. So
basically, you're the architect of your own timeline.
Yes.
Don't let anyone ever tell you anything.
Not at all. Yeah.
I love that. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For being a part of this segment.
Thank you.
And we're going to quickly move to a really fun one. And everything you need to know is on this little vine.
Really?
Well, guys, welcome to the Disruptor Challenge. Today we have something very, very exciting. We're all gonna decorate our cakes. We have these beautiful cakes from Sato, and I really am very excited because do you all know how to make a cake? Out of
I
assemble it?
think
Decorating
I'm
a cake, we
making
know,
some ideas in my head.
But
so
baking, we don't know.
Yeah, we don't have to
Which
bake.
is good that it's already baked.
Okay, so I'm very, very excited because they've
is
given
so
us their
cute, yeah.
entire cake making experience.
This is
and I'm
going to
very
be
excited.
so much fun. Look at all the sparkles there. I'm just thinking what we're going to do. But basically, हमें करना क्या है? We have to put the
Get the
cream
cakes, yeah.
inside.
Imagine you're making a birthday cake.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we got to decorate it.
Yeah.
But the challenge is we have only 10 minutes because the birthday party is starting.
Okay.
And I'm also going to keep talking and asking you questions because we got to keep them distracted. Nothing can be easy in the Disruptor Challenge.
But tell me something, we need to like ice the cake. So
Yeah,
how
like
do you do
layer by
that?
layer. You need
Like
to
I've
just
seen
put it
Instagram
inside.
videos, but then
whatever
how
you
do
wish.
you do that?
Okay, we'll just get into it. We have
Yeah.
10 minutes. I think
You
we're going
gotta-
to need more
yeah.
than that.
Do it, yeah. It's a Disruptor Challenge. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start the clock.
Oh my god.
Oh shit! I started this, but I have no idea what it's meant to be.
Are we going to eat it also?
Is this how you do
I mean,
it?
we can because it's like really yummy.
We could get trolled for this.
It's not going to be like Kendall Jenner with the cucumbers.
Yeah.
It's going to be way better than that.
Because I have to keep your minds busy. Okay, tell me, how was your latest single made? How did it come to life?
The latest single was actually, oh my
have
god.
Suku.
Yeah.
Good that we made the song together and I can focus on my cake.
It just came actually, it was raining 2 years ago, like this time of the year, and
Yeah.
it was really pretty, and we were just in the studio, and we just thought, why not? And then we actually parked the song for a very long time.
Yeah.
And then, we were doing this laptop cleanse where we were like, you know what, we have too much stuff, so let's take a break and review what we have.
Yeah.
And then we found this song. And then we decided it to be that, you know, front running
you're
horn.
forgetting the main thing.
What?
We sold it to labels. And they were just like, no, but you all can do better.
What?
Yeah, for 2 years. But nobody liked it, I guess. And I was just
I'm
like,
having
but
way
we-
too much fun.
I know, so I
Oh
was
my
so
god.
distracted. But we were like, we'll just release it, yeah, dekha jayega. Matlab, I feel like the whole idea of putting out independent music is like just taking
Trust
that
your
risk.
gut.
Yeah, both.
So when you're making songs, are you guys constantly pushing each other out of your personal comfort zone?
Yeah, I guess. I mean, always. I mean, I think the whole idea is to just make sure, you know, even when you're putting out an album, they all sound like different songs, which is really hard to do, because I feel like you do get typecasted, and we don't want to be typecasted.
Yeah.
We definitely want to be as versatile as possible. No,
If you
I
could
love that.
perform Azra tomorrow at a concert in the world, which one would it be?
Lollapalooza.
Lollapalooza or like the VMAs or something like that.
Oh, that
Or
would be
yeah,
fun.
the VMAs.
Yeah.
Or you know, even better, like a Supra India tour, which we've been talking about for so long, and I think that would be the happiest days of my life. Just kind of meeting people who actually support us from different cities, and especially coming down and doing a little bit of meet and greet. You know, we've not done that. We've been talking about it for 2 years now. Hopefully, it's all
Can I get that tissue? It's
I'm
so
not
what-
supposed to help you.
Your next challenge is that you can only do the frosting with the left hand.
Left hand. Is anybody? Yeah, you.
Are you a lefty? She was a lefty. My mom made
That
her
is-
a righty.
so then- oh.
That's not a fair rule.
Then what is fair for her? Because
That's
then
what I'm
she's
saying.
both. Oh.
I can't use
Oh,
my
then she's
feet. That would be the one.
Okay,
Are you
but
sure about this whole?
I don't know
Oh,
what
this
I'm
is-
doing, making like some sort of jalebi, I think. It's just, what's happening?
imagine it's your birthday cake. What would you wanna have?
You know, in fact, this birthday cake, I had a Labubu cake.
Oh my God.
It was La Suku and La Puku, and we had like
And can I tell
Chanel's
you
and
something?
Hermes Birkins. Oh, that was such a reflex or something.
I think I'm good at this.
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah. No, but I'm just an artsy girl.
How much? Okay, so when you're having like a creative block, what's your favorite way to get inspiration back? If you all have hacked it. Or is
Honestly, I feel like traveling. I love traveling. If I wasn't doing music, I would just like have my own travel show, which I think I still want to do.
it- Y'all have traveled 3 countries in a day. That is a fact I know on
is
traveling.
Oh, you know this. That's
While I know how that
crazy.
happened, do you want to tell everybody how that happened?
Oh my god, yeah. Puku's really good at this story. Puku, your turn.
Yeah,
now,
but I
come
need to
on.
focus right now. So 1 second, guys. Tiny, this is really hard.
This
Meant
is
to be
so
the
cool.
ocean.
What have I done?
It's abstract art. Oh my god.
Actually, she's killing it.
this entire vibe actually I'm enjoying.
Yeah.
I love it.
This is therapeutic.
Only if it
Honestly.
was my right hand, guys. That would be a masterpiece.
But you have to answer the question because the
Oh,
goal
yeah,
is to
yeah,
keep
yeah,
you
yeah.
distracted.
So we did this, you know, New Year trip. We have a tradition of taking a holiday when it's our birthdays or New Year's.
Okay.
And
Which
now
we
we're
didn't do
working
this.
so hard that we're hardly taking off on our birthdays also. Poor girl, but no, this time was actually fun. We were like, we're turning 30. There's nothing to celebrate, so
Yeah.
we'll just work. But New Year's we take a holiday. It's just a tradition. This year, last year we went to Austria. And we were taking a road trip, and see, my star is not starring anymore because I was talking.
What have I done? It looks like worms.
Yeah, okay. I'm not getting
It actually looks like worms. Or like, I don't know.
So then there was this one point where we were traveling from Salzburg, which is a city in Austria, and then we were like, yahan se nikalte, and the next place we were going to was actually the Dolomites, which is the very cold part of Italy, like the mountain range is called the Dolomites, and we wanted to see that for a long time. So वहाँ पे हम रात को पहुँच रहे थे, so we knew that we're having like breakfast in Austria, and we'll have dinner in Italy. And in the middle we crossed Germany, so we had lunch in Germany. So it was very cool.
Oh my God.
And thanks to Vodafone, I had constant reminders like, welcome to Italy, welcome to Germany, welcome to Austria. So it was kind of cool.
Was there a specific place where you all found inspiration for us?
Wow, you really killed it. This is a new thing.
yeah.
She's done an ombre effect or something. This is so cool.
So this is what you get when you don't tell.
Oh my
Wow,
god.
maybe she rehearsed it before us.
Yeah. Should I try to do the same thing?
They really,
Or will I really screw this up?
To the ones who
Actually, you
arranged
know
this for us, they really tried to be like, okay, wait, let me tell you a little bit. And I was like, no,
no.
nobody got to know. I just watch it. My guilty pleasure is watching cooking
This
shows.
cooking show.
What have you done? It looks stunning, almost. Like it's something.
I take the winning hand.
Last 2 minutes left, and all three of you all have to shut your eyes and.
No. After this, I come.
Okay, I don't have anything in my hand, so I'm going to pick something and then I'm going to shut my eyes. Okay.
Who's gonna have my cake? Any takers? I would love to see.
Okay,
something
everybody
good.
shut your eyes.
Yeah, 1 sec. Almost
Shut,
there.
no. You have to. Shut.
Oh my god, 1 second.
Shut your eyes.
Just
Guys,
garnishing?
No, shut your
It's
eyes.
like
and yeah.
MasterChef, you know, when your time is over in the pressure test or something. That's like, okay, cool.
Okay, I can do this.
Shut your eyes. Shut your eyes.
Oh, this is so cute. I would eat my cake.
Eat it. Now we're gonna watch you have it. Do you want some pearls on yours?
Yes, I would happily.
See?
See, we don't, girls don't compete. You'll try to put us against each other.
Yeah.
Way too much
Yeah.
to do that.
And our cakes are so cute.
Unique. Except
Nice.
mine looks like for a 5-year-old. And yours looks like the trending ones right now.
Our Pinterest girls through and
mine?
Oh my God. That actually does. The pearls are adding. Oh my god.
I've made some colored worms on it.
And look at the size.
And
Wow.
some pearls over it.
And I'm still not done. So
Time's up
Time's
though.
up, though.
Come on, come on, come on.
last minute.
Do we give
I'm
her
having
this
too much
time?
fun. I
Comment
don't
down if we should. We should have given her this time, which is nice. So we are. Okay, let's go.
Time's up.
Now a quick one. Who is this cake made for? Send it to that person.
We have to like,
Yeah.
like who
Also.
from
Yeah.
like here or
Anybody. in the
anybody.
world.
I will give this cake and I will share it with my my amazing house help Anita, because she would be really proud of me if she saw it. And if I give it to her, she will happily we'll happily eat this together. She's my ride or die, so like I absolutely love her. So she'll be really nice. If she sees me doing anything domesticated, she will be so proud of me.
I love it. So it's like an award for her.
Yeah,
For being so
see, I'll
patient.
take a picture and I'll show her, Didi, मैंने ये बनाया था. She will love it.
Who would you give this cake to?
I would share this with my nephew.
Oh.
Because he's so cute, he would eat it anyway and not judge.
Not be like,
But also, I feel like it's giving birthday party core, like it is very
Yeah.
celebratory and it's very happy
But
birthday
he
to a
doesn't have
5-year-old.
Okay, I would give this cake to everyone here for
Aw.
making this show happen
That's
with me,
so
for me,
sweet.
including both of you guys,
How
including
sweet.
every team member, the one eating vada pav. Everyone in this room, I would like to give this cake to.
Ours also, please.
Yes.
It's
Yeah,
all
yeah.
for taking.
And that's it for this
That was
segment.
so cute.
This was so
So
cute.
before we end with this one, we have 2 little vinyls for you guys. We have only 1 pen, so you'll have to share. But you know, so I'm assuming you're used to it.
So we
And-
should sign this off.
Yes, and we stick it on our
I
wall
love
of
this.
slumps,
I love
This
this.
is so
which
nice.
has multiple elements from the show and just something we're going to build over the years. Let's honor the wall of disrupt with your signed
go.
vinyls. Where would you
Alright.
like to place them?
It goes like, who am I?
I'm me.
Let's
Yes.
go. Okay.
I love it. I love it. Thank you for having us. This
I'm
is such a sweet day we're having.
Sweet day, and now we
It
must
was very
eat it
sweet.
also.
Yeah. We're gonna have the cake and we're gonna have fun. This is Supra for you. And we're so happy to have them here today. I'm gonna not try and mess up this. Prakriti Kakar, Sukriti Kakar,
Yes!
Tanisha at Disrupt Department. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you back here.